Greetings viewers, if you click the video link you already know what you're here for. Today we are installing the Bobovr S3 Pro head strap on our Quest 3. These instructions also apply to the Bobovr M3 Pro as well. I'm not doing an unboxing or anything, we're just going to jump right into the installation. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to remove the stock head strap. So the first thing I'm going to do is reach over the top here. We're going to peel this strap all the way back and then we're just going to pull it backwards and remove it. It's going to be a little tight once you get to the end piece there, but just gently pull it. Don't yank on it too hard and break your headset. Next, we need to peel off the two sides here. They are attached to a piece of plastic that's snapped on, so if you just grab the back of the strap where it meets the plastic here and you just kind of peel away, the whole thing will just pop right off. So same thing on the other side, just gently pull until the plastic separates. So this is able to be put back on, so just set this aside. Keep it somewhere in case you change your mind, you don't like this headset, you want to switch back to this in the meantime while you find something else. So the first thing we need to do, these little black oval shaped things here, so this, like this one attached here to the fan, I would go ahead and just rotate it down, it'll click and kind of lock positively. You don't want it pointing up towards the headband because you're not going to be able to slide the VR headset in there. So just kind of knock it down a few clicks. Set it on its top, so this is facing up. We want the part where your nose goes facing up as well, so that we put this on the right direction. And then you're just going to kind of feed one side in until we get it started, and then work the other side in there, and then this whole unit's going to slide back into both of these slots at the same time. You may need to tilt it down some more, but we're just going to keep sliding it. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide it until it's flush with the back here. So there's nothing that's really going to stop it. So you just again kind of put your finger there and make sure that they're even on both sides. This is lined up flush here and that's attached. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take the USB-C cable here and plug it into the USB-C slot. It's that simple. Now you may be asking yourself what this extra piece is here in the bag. It's kind of a gel headband piece with a soft Velcro on the other side. That goes on the back here. You can use it on either one of these two cushions that go on the back of your head. So I would just wear this as is for a little bit, play while your head's wiggling around. If it starts to slide because of this soft texture here and you notice the headset's moving around a lot, these are Velcro attached, so what you can do is just peel one off, whichever one you feel like is causing you the most grief, and then you just replace it. So just evenly distribute that headband on there. You may have to pull it up and smooth it out a little bit. And just make sure it's nice and even all the way across. And then just try that and see again if your head's wiggling around and this thing isn't moving much with that on there, then just go ahead and use that. If it's not working, you can swap that same thing to the top position. If you know somebody else that has this headset and they're not using theirs, you can also just put two on there and maybe that'll help it stick to your head a little bit better. So anyway, that's all it takes for installation. Just magnetize your battery on the back and get to playing. So if you have any questions, if there's something I missed, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'll be glad to get back to you and do what I can to help you with any questions or issues you may be having. So thanks for your time, and we'll catch you in the next video.